team went out of their way to ensure that we were buying the right truck, that they were confident in selling our business. Honesty was a major factor in one of the things that why we wanted to go with Suttons. Spot on with what they had said to us. There was no lying about a sale. They were honestly with the time of the arrival of the truck, and we just found that they were true and honest to what they were saying. My name is Rocky Lagana. I'm the Managing Director of Bermagui Fishermen's Co-op and also the Managing Director of the Bermagui Fishermen's Wharf. Bermagui Fishermen's Co-op has been operating since 1946. Bermagui Fishermen's Wharf has been operating since 2009. Bermagui Fishermen's Co-op specialises in seafood, handling seafoods brought into port from its members, delivered to Sydney Fish Market mainly, and also to the Melbourne Seafood Centre, and also sales in the Sapphire Coast of New South Wales. The DAF truck, we heard about the DAF and we wanted something different. We wanted something with a bit more power and something that we were comfortable with the fatigue of our drivers. Being a 5.5 hour trip to Sydney, 5.5 hour trip, concern was fatigue of our drivers, and we wanted an automatic, and that's why we went with the DAF, because we felt that we wanted something different and we wanted our drivers not to be fatigued in changing gears, and the auto really suited our needs.